everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm going to bring you another what I ate today. I thought that I would just kind of take you along with my day. I try to do this on Thursdays, doesn't always work out, but Thursday seems like it just kind of just fits into my schedule. So stay tuned. I have started my day already. As you can tell, I'm already dressed and ready for the day. I had coffee already. I did put creamer in my coffee today, so I do have 1 point of creamer. My eggs are going to be pretty much the same as I always do, but I'm going to be having something new for lunch today, so I'm hoping it's really good. So I'm going to get my rice cooker out, and I'm going to make some rice so that that's ready for lunch, and then stay tuned for that because I think it's going to be pretty exciting. Okay, so here are my eggs. I have 1 egg and then 1 egg equivalent of egg whites, and then I threw some spices in there. So the spices that I'm using today is just this Mrs. Dash table blend. And I just sauteed my spinach, and then I threw the eggs in, and this breakfast will be 0 SmartPoints. I am doing the purple plan. This would also be 0 on blue. And I think that it would be, I want to say 4 for green. Don't quote me on that if you're on green. I'm a little rusty on my green points. So this is my breakfast. I'll come back and show you what I'm having for a snack later. Okay, so I'm going to have a banana for a snack. I get told all the time that I never show my face enough on my what I ate today, so here it is. So banana for a snack, and then I'll come back and show you what I'm having for lunch. I'm pretty excited. As you can see, my rice cooker is on the counter and my rice is done, so super excited about lunch today. Okay, I just finished making my lunch. This is that shrimp stir fry. I did find this on the MyWW app. I will link this below. I will also have a cook with me coming in the next day or two. I did film this because anytime I put a new recipe on a what I ate today or anything like that, I always have people trying to find it, so I find it better just to post those as standalone. So here it is. Looks so good, smells delicious. So I'm gonna dig in and enjoy my lunch. Okay, so for dinner today, my dinner is gonna be 7 points. I have a chicken stir fry, and it's just California blend style vegetables. I think this is actually the Normandy blend. Along with some grilled chicken. I use no oil on this, so it's just 0 SmartPoints on the purple plan. And then here's where all my points come in. This yummy, cheesy Alfredo goodness. Now, I made my own noodles. I shredded my own cheese. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. I did not do any of that. I opened up a package of Knorr Alfredo mix. Just kidding. And I didn't put any milk or butter in it. I just used all water, which I've done before, and it turned out fine. So 7 SmartPoints for 2/3 of a cup, and I measured that out here. So yum. I love Alfredo. Nobody else in my house likes it, so I get super excited when I get to have that. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit down and eat dinner, and then I'll come back and show you what I'm having for a snack, even though I told you it's probably gonna be that Built Bar, but who knows, I might change my mind. So this is my dinner, 7 SmartPoints. That puts me at 8 SmartPoints so far today. Okay, so I'm going to have my snack now. I am going to have my Built Bar. This is the first time I've tried the dark chocolate covered one. These ones just came out. Pretty excited about giving this one a try. I am gonna end the day at 11 points today, so not too bad. I'm very, very excited that I had a good day. Got a couple rollover points for this weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend, so those points will come in handy, of course. I went for a little walk. We took the cats for a walk. I'll insert a picture here. But they're so funny. They just crack me up. We're the weird people on the block that have cats on a leash. You know, it's kind of funny. So I'm going to have probably half my bar, and then I'm going to relax for a few minutes. I'm gonna go work out, and then I am going to call it a day. So that's gonna be the end of my evening. honestly, I still have to put sheets on my bed. I stripped my bed today too, so that's something else I have to do before I work out, before I go to bed. It's always something. I guess that's it. I was gonna chit chat with you a little longer, but I mean, the virtual meeting went well. We talked about water, upping your water intake, different ways that you can, you know, get your water in during the day, whether it be water packets or putting, you know, fruit in your water. Just, I mean, get your water in. I know it's really hard right now because there's so much going on, and sometimes you don't focus on yourself. So try to do that this week. Try to get your water intake in, and make sure that you keep track of that. So with that said, I'm going to sign off. I hope everyone has a great week, and I will see you next video.